Hello and welcome to Pretty Little Clothes. I'm Virginie and today I'm going to be doing some Valentine inspiration nail art. For this design, I'm gonna apply 2 coats of Simplicity. And cure 30 seconds. Now I'm applying my second coat. And cure for 30 seconds. For this design, I choose Pashmina, Cover Story, Dusky Plum, and Russian Water Lily. As usual, I'm gonna put some drops onto my palette. And with the dotting tool, I'm gonna place some dots, different sizes. And cure 10 seconds. And cure 10 seconds. Now I'm going to add some white dot with Snow White to contour the shape of the heart. And cure for 10 seconds. And I'm going to do a final cure for 30 seconds. For my second design, I'm going to use cashmere. And cure 30 seconds. As usual, I'm going to apply my second coat. And cure again for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to be using Flamingo Fizz and Sparkling Crombe from the Shimmer collection to do the heart. And I'm going to use Serious Black as well. And we're going to cure for 30 seconds. With my dotting tool, I'm gonna do my first heart. And I'm gonna add inside the other color before curing. And cure for 10 seconds. For my second heart, I'm gonna start with Flamingo Fizz. And with the detailing brush, I'm gonna add the color of Sparkling Crombe. And flash cure. And a final cure for 30 seconds. For my last design, I'm gonna be using pillar box. And cure 30 seconds. I'm applying my second coat. This is my absolute favorite red color. And cure 30 seconds. I'm gonna do my heart. So basically I made 3 dots and I just connect them together. And flash cure using the same process but with the smaller dots. Some other heart in the corner. And cure for 30 seconds. Here is the finished design. I hope you like it. All the products used in this video are in the description box down below. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like and comment. Until next time, happy Valentine's Day and au revoir!